So I guess you guys kind of remember this garbage table over here which my girlfriend used to use, and I felt that there is potential in this table and I'm trying to make this garbage table not garbage. How am I going to do that if you ask me? We are going to carbon fiber wrap the table, and holy crap, I'm hot right now. So let us take a look at the materials that we are going to use in today's Pimp My setup. Of course, we got the garbage table. We get an IKEA rasp, which you will know what I'm going to use that for. We got a shoe rack from Tesco. And then we got a carbon fiber wrap for the table. So let us take apart this spongy thing that my girlfriend placed on it so that she won't hurt her hand. And then let's wrap the table. This is my backdrop. The reason why I want a table over here, first I need to have a table dedicated for product review, and I would want it to cover this imperfection kind of thing over here, which is supposed to be my room. Yes, this wall is made out of poster and wardrobe. This is my gaming channel, by the way. Subscribe, The Rave Man Cave. Yeah. Now that, my friend, is what I call a table, and it is not garbage anymore. Yeah, it looks pretty good, man. I'm loving this table over here. So right now we are going to build the rasp and place it over there for my bags and some feng shui kind of stuff. Yes, I know, I'm into feng shui, man. Please don't judge me. And after that, we are gonna put our, shoe rack over here for some storage. It's not for shoes, it's practically for storage. And what the hell, look at the floor. I need to do some serious cleanup over here before my girlfriend's come back. She's gonna kill me. This is what I call an extra setup. So as you can see, overall I have carbon wrapped the table, and it match up with the HP Omen with the carbon body so beautifully. And then we got extra storage over there, extra storage for my bag, and yeah, my projector got a place to sit right now. Let us push the chair over here a little bit. Ooh, actually it looks so nice over here. Sorry about my camera is having dust inside, and I probably need a new camera over here. Oh god, I really hate that. So overall the setup over here is super perfect, and I am loving it. Look at that, man. Look at that wrap. So yeah, that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it. Leave a comment down below for more questions to ask, and we'll try to answer it as soon as possible. There is a full-blown apartment tour coming soon in the future. If you guys wish to watch the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course I'm going to see you in the next video. Adios and have a nice beautiful day.